All right, first case is scheduled for 1:30. I call it, see, make sure people aren't sitting here waiting. 528029, State versus Christy Divel, Divel, and that is Carolyn Whitland. All right, we'll recall it at 1:30.
Your Honor,
Yes.
that case has been dismissed.
Both of them? She
Yeah,
had two cases.
the one for the motion to suppress this afternoon, I know that one had been dismissed, and I think the other one has as well.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right, thank you, Ms. Morgan. 543639, State versus Belize Bayona. Belize Monet Bayona, and that is, attorney is Richard Saldivar. Mr. Saldivar is not answering, nor is his client. Marked absent. 589518, set for jury trial. Laura Powell, and that is John Charles Bunk.
Here.
Good morning, Ms. Powell.
Good morning. How are you?
I am well, thank you. Is Mr. Bunk, Charles? We're going to mark him not answering. 609904, State versus Bernardo Ortiz. That is also a jury trial. And the attorney is John Winter. These folks got notice, Patty? That's
Yeah,
second.
yes, Judge. I just haven't checked my emails over the weekend. I don't know if they tried notifying the court that there were going to be another courts.
All right, 6334, thank you, ma'am. 633459, State versus Milton Pettis, attorney Scott McCrum.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well, Mr.
Good.
Pettis.
Mr. Pettis Paz is present, Judge.
Yes, sir.
We've got several cases on the docket this morning,
He sure does.
but he's got felony cases as well.
I saw that.
And so I'm hopeful that you will reset these to allow me to see what happens on the felonies, what I can work out there.
Do you know at what stage the penalties are? Has he been indicted? He's got
Yes.
a
I
nightmare
believe-
number.
Well,
No, Judge, it has not been indicted. The last setting was September 1st, 2020.
I think there's more than one though, Patty.
That's all that came out for him on this docket
All right,
since
well,
June 15th.
folks, since he's not indicted, I'm going to reset felony pending 60 days.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Scott, good to see you. Take care.
Yes, sir. You too.
645103, State versus, let's see, this gentleman is in jail, Draven Gonzalez, and his attorney is Adam Cobbs.
Good
Mr.
morning, Your Honor.
Cobbs. Good morning, Mr. Cobbs. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. Draven has 3 cases on your docket. He is in custody, although he shows on bond on one. He is in custody. His felony is a robbery case, and it is currently set for August 21st. And I was hoping that the court would allow these 3 cases to be reset to a date after August 21st.
Patricia, what can we accommodate on that, a particular date?
The week after, and I believe it's the 20th, Judge, August 20th, that it's set. So we can set it for August 27th.
And so it shall be, Mr. Cobbs.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
You have
May
a
I-
setting for August 27. You are now excused.
Thank you. Have a good-
Your client is not, since he's sitting in jail.
That's correct, Judge. I'll get notice to him.
Thank you, sir. 647928, State versus Brandon Flores, and that is
I'm here on that,
Laurie
Your Honor.
Carrington Smythe.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here on that. Good morning. How are you?
I am well, thank you. How about you?
Oh, good. Great. It's good Monday. I think my client, Brandon, is here as well. Mr. Flores, are you here?
Brandon
Brandon?
Flores. You need to speak up or wave, or he does not appear to be present, Laura.
I'll give him a call, Your Honor, and get him to show face.
Hello,
Can you hear
somebody?
me?
Okay,
Oh, there he
Can you
is.
hear me? This is Brandon.
Yes,
All
okay,
right.
we hear you.
My
Very good.
service is a little messed up.
Okay.
You mean we having trouble, computer trouble? Is that possible? We started off with computer trouble. What are you doing this morning, Ms. Smythe?
This is our second setting, Your Honor. I believe we're going to ask for a reset for a little bit of time just to finish up our discovery. And then the state was very kind to give us an offer last time. So I think my client is going to counsel him about that and give him some chance to think it over.
All right, we'll see it and we'll reset it one more time,
Okay.
30 days. And Ms. Smythe and Mr. Flores, y'all are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see. Case number 656732, State versus Aaron Kristen Areche, and that is Jesus Vargas.
Judge, good morning. I am present. I spoke to my client yesterday and gave him the link. I don't know if he's having computer problems, but it was reset for 2 weeks because Mr. Endelman was waiting for more blood test results. The previous one for alcohol showed, 0.01 or something. So I don't know.
Well, I'm listening to you. What do you want to do? He's not here. I'm going to have to mark him absent at this point. When he shows up, I hope you will let us know.
May I confer with Mr. Endelman, see if we're going on this case?
You're number one to confer, but we're going to have, as a condition, we'd have to find Mr. Areche. All right.
Okay, Your Honor.
657, thank you, sir. 449, State versus Bruno Buratti, and that is Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you, sir?
How
Mr.
about you?
My client is on Zoom, Judge. He's linked up. Judge, this is going to be a plea this morning. Ms. Morgan sent me the paperwork this morning. I signed it, and I believe she's going to email it to Mr. Murati for his signature.
All right, but where is he? Is he here with us?
Yes, Judge. He's on. Can you just
There
wait,
you are.
Mr. Murati?
I see you. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll take care of you as soon as we can.
Thank you, Judge.
657-690, State versus Daniel Rubalcaba. I suspect that's Rubalcaba.
Yes, sir, Rubalcaba.
Are you, verdad?
I talked to Justin Folks. He's in County Court 8 in a in-person trial right now.
Who is this?
Mr. Justin Folks from the office of Mark LaHood.
Justin Folk.
Yes.
Okay. But Mr. LaHood is attorney of record. We'll have to see what's going on. But thank you. I appreciate that you're here on time, sir. We'll
Yes,
show
sir.
him another.
Excuse me?
We'll show Mr. LaHood in another court, or that Mr. Justin Folk is in another court.
Yes, he said court 8, and he's in an in-person trial.
All right. We'll look into that. We'll be back with you. Thank you.
Okay.
658-370, State versus Jose Marin, and that is John Robinson.
I am here, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Marin, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Is your attorney on here? I don't see.
I'm not entirely sure, sir. I didn't see his name on the Zoom list. I haven't spoken to him since the last.
Patricia, you heard from him?
No, sir.
All right, I'm showing him no answer then. Hang around, Mr. Marin.
Yes, sir.
661359, State versus Agapito Martinez, no attorney. Agapito Martinez. Marking him absent at this time. Six 496 State versus Rolando Reyes. Rolando Reyes.
Your Honor, this is the attorney Michael Goins.
Mr. Goins, good morning to you. Have you heard from your client?
I have not, Your Honor. He was released on PR bond on Friday and I have not heard from him.
He says, I'll see you later, huh? He's got four
Basically, Your Honor.
cases. He's got 4 cases here, so maybe he'll
Your
show
Honor,
up.
I'm on 3 of those. Could your coordinator add me to the 4th one?
The fourth one was dismissed, Judge.
Was what?
It was dismissed, 663-144.
663.
It's listed.
There it
in-
is, dismissed. There it is. You're right. You marked it so. So he's got this case and 2 others then. All
Okay,
right,
Your Honor.
go ahead and, well, are you on all 3 that are alive?
I couldn't tell you, Your Honor, which one was dismissed.
Okay, we'll worry about it after a while. If he shows up within the next 30 minutes, would you let us know?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. 661-522 State versus Juan Peña Cáceres.
Good morning, Your
Juan
Honor.
Peña Cáceres, and that's Isidro Montoya Jr. I know he's here.
Yes, Judge. Your Honor, I got the appointment sheet. This is our first setting. It doesn't have a phone number on the appointment sheet. All it has is an address, and I've not been in contact with him.
Okay.
So can I get 2 weeks so I can send him another letter so I can get contact numbers, and then maybe I'll call the bonds, find out who the bonding company is.
All right, sir. You were appointed and he is paid for a bond?
I'm not sure, Judge. I need to either call the PR bond or find
All
out
right,
who the
Patty.
bondsman is.
Patty will recall in 2 weeks.
Thank you,
Yes.
Judge.
Yes, sir.
Meantime, if you have contact information for him, Patty, let him know.
Thank you, Your
Let
Honor.
Mr. Montoya know. 661-539. Pardon me? Hello? 661-539. Hello?
Okay, Judge, I muted her.
All right, 661, again, 539. This person's in jail.
Your Honor, I believe that's my case. Jason Moxley. This is Sharon Thorne.
All right,
He has 2
Ms. Thorne.
misdemeanors. Yes, sir. 652-289 and 661-539. He also has 4 felony pendings, and I think he has a federal hold. So
all right.
I need a reset, Your Honor. And
Why?
his felonies are indicted yet that I know of.
How much time do you need, Sharon?
I think these misdemeanors, when it gets resolved, will probably get resolved with these felonies. I would ask for at least 30 days, Your Honor. The felonies have not been indicted yet.
Then I'm gonna make it 60 when that happens.
Okay.
You've got a mess on your hands, okay.
Yes, sir.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4 felonies, I believe. A federal hold and 1, 2, only 2 misdemeanors. All right,
Only 2. Okay.
all right. Thank you, Sharon. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
661-573 State versus Leslie Valent, and that is Christopher Simpkins. Christopher Simpkins, attorney. No answer. Leslie Valent, marked absent. 661-602 State versus Gloria Villarreal, no attorney. Gloria Villarreal. She's marked absent. 661-619 State versus Carlos Coppins. and that is Tim Roundtree. Tim
Morning, Your Honor.
Roundtree,
I'm here, Your Honor, and so is Mr. Coppins.
all right.
Judge, this is the first setting. All the discovery looks to be present, but I'd like to confer.
All righty. You're number 2 to confer. Thank you, Mr. Roundtree.
Yes, I am here, Your Honor.
Thank you. I've noted it. 661-651, State versus Vanity Render. And that is Frank Sandoval, attorney.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Frank.
I'm here.
Speak up, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I'm here. I'm present.
There you are.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Mr. Sandoval, what are you doing this morning?
Your Honor, on Ms. Render's request, I filed a motion to withdraw. She's filed a complaint with the state bar. Honor, so we have a hearing so she can get an attorney that she's able to communicate with.
We'll give her an attorney that's on the wheel. If she's not able to communicate with a second attorney, Ms. Render, you may find yourself in some bit of a problem then. You don't get to
Yes,
choose
sir.
your attorney.
I understand.
Okay.
Judge Longoria, the thing about it is that I tried to contact my lawyer, Attorney Sandoval, when I was in jail, and I was unable to get in touch with him, as well as when I got out. And he also
He has filed a motion to withdraw. Are you opposed to it?
No, I'm grateful for that, but I just wanted to let it be known why I had done so. I don't want to cause any other trouble for anybody or any extra paperwork. At the same time,
Okay.
I would like someone to represent my case.
All righty. We'll get
Thank
you
you.
another attorney.
Thank you.
We'll get back to you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Your motion, you have filed a motion, Mr. Sandoval?
I have, Your Honor.
Okay, then that motion will be granted since the defendant is not opposed.
We appreciate the courtesy, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I think you're welcome, ma'am. I think that takes care of the docket for this morning. We only have 2 people who want to confer. Interesting.
Your Honor.
Judge, sorry.
If I may approach, Your Honor, Mr. Arecha should have signed in by now. He was having difficulty trying to sign in.
All right, first of all, who's speaking?
This is Jesus Vargas, Your Honor.
Mr. Vargas. All right, what case are we talking about? Case number?
Yes, sir. Case number is 6.
It's at the bottom of page 2, Your Honor. The last
Yes.
one, 656-732.
732, yes.
Okay, and that's Aaron Arecha. Has he checked in?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Arecha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Okay. Mr. Vargas, okay, you're number 1. Mr. Edelman. And good morning to you again.
Good
Mr.
morning,
Edelman,
sir.
would you be kind enough to confer with